Sorry. Isn't that annoying? I'm just gonna go ahead and censor that out. I'm coughing, but censorship opportunity. Yeah. Speaking of box today, it's from Amazon. From that place there. And I think this could be one of two things, or hopefully both, because otherwise I'd be missing a box. But Amazon usually doesn't ship you multiple items in one box. They usually have a billion boxes, each with just one item in it. What did I see though? So obviously, if we're gonna open this up, we need some chopsticks. Or maybe not. Maybe that's not a good idea. Let's use a sword. Oh, gonna cut this open with a sword. Okay. Why is it so hard to open? Ah! Oh, you're not even seeing that, are you? Get a better view here. It almost looks like I'm stabbing myself through the box, but I'm not. You just gotta trust me. That's the only way you're gonna be able to view this. Ah! Let's cut it open. Ah! Ah! This is why you don't unbox things when you're sick, unless you want a censorship opportunity. I'm having that. Now, we can stick the sword right. Pull the sword from the stone. King Tut, are you worthy? I am! COVID, which I don't actually have COVID. I don't know what I have, but it's not that bad. It's just like I'm coughing a lot and I was starting up earlier today. Let's see what is in here. Ooh! Yo! It's an Ancient Egypt. I literally have another box that looks just like this. And it's like very cool. Oh, bro, this is. Oh no, I don't wanna. I already know. I just read that, so I have spoilers for this. I don't wanna spoil you. Guess now. What do you think it is? What do you think it is? It's some styrofoam. Just what I needed. Ba ba na na ba ba na na ba na 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 ba 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 na na ba. It's my grandpa, Amenhotep, as a sphinx. You know, people look so bad, so pretty when they're half lying. I haven't coughed since I actually got in there. Maybe there's like, oh, somebody from Egypt just gasping that. That's got Amenhotep's gasping that. But that is look at the. Sorry, there's gas in there. Look at Amenhotep. I mean, did I say Amenhotep? It's Amenhotep. There's a difference. There's a huge difference. Look it up. But he's holding those, whatever he's holding, and you got the hieroglyphics. It says, which says, "I love you." Subscribe. That's what that says. And we got an Egyptian eye on there too, man. To play there. And then we got his rear end. Look at that. Let me stick my lamp in the camera there, yeah. This has been unboxing stuff that I thought was gonna be something else, but this is still pretty cool. Well, coughing that may or may not have been censored. That's basically it. Yeah. Ow! Ooh!
I'm a sphinx, yeah, I'm a sphinx, yeah, I'm a sphinx, I go like a sphinx falling from the sky, no! I'm a sphinx.
There's some more stuff I want to say. First of all, I just noticed, look how dirty it is. Like, look at all that, black all over it. Like, someone just oiled right all over it. Like, it doesn't really pick up that well on camera, but like, oh, like, especially like right there. Like, why is it so black? I mean, like, that's not like, I mean, no, that's not what I meant. Why is it, it's dirty. That's basically what it is. It's like, this isn't the cleanest. It still looks cool, but like, that wasn't, yeah. The bottom is pretty shiny. Bottom's pretty shiny. Also got we got the cartouche here of Amenhotep, or that better be the cartouche of Amenhotep. If it's someone else's cartouche, then this Amenhotep is sorry. Yeah, the Amenhotep. I said that this Amenhotep is a fraud. Nice shiny blue color too. I like my face. My face is blue. Blue like a pyramid. The Sphinx standing by saying, oh, I wish I could jump over the pyramid and die in the sky. Yeah. Alright, tut out.